So this video is for anyone with a Kenwood Apple CarPlay or Kenwood doubled-in radio that is having difficulty maintaining the correct time. This is the DMX4707S, and every time I would set the time, I would lose an hour and a couple of minutes. I tried a firmware upgrade, that did not work, so I wanted to show you how I went in and solved this problem. So if you're experiencing this problem, you want to go into Settings, Radio, and I have it muted right now. On the left-hand side, you're going to see this little arrow, and that's going to pop out that little side menu. Setup. Click Setup. Now, this is called RDSCT. What it does is it takes the time from the radio signal, and that was set to on for my particular radio, and as a result it was getting a new radio signal from, or getting a new clock signal from a radio, and that was causing the time to change. Of course, when you plug in CarPlay, the time would go correct, but as soon as you disconnect CarPlay, this would go back on. So if this is on, you're going to see it blue. So you don't want it on, you want it off, just like that. And honestly, this has solved all my problems. So ever since I did that fix, the time has not changed at all. It's been great. So before jumping to anything else, definitely take a look at that option in the setup for the radio. And yeah, I hope that helps, and thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.